Hello and welcome to this week's guided meditation as we sit with our shadows and learn to embrace all parts of ourselves. This meditation is best done in the dark, sitting up if possible, but lying down if necessary. During the moments of pause and stillness, letting that darkness surround you and be your friend. Take a moment to settle in, breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. And when you're ready, close your eyes. Breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth, allow all parts of you to simply relax, to melt into this present moment here and now. Breathing in and out. Setting the intention to allow whatever arises within you to simply be. Breathing in and out. And as you breathe, envisioning yourself on a beautiful mountain path, surrounded by vast peaks, tall trees, rich soil, luminous caverns. Feeling grounded and whole as you walk this mountain path. You tread upwards, your feet in the cool soil, the breeze blowing at your back, and with each step you go higher and higher, breathing into yourself and your knowing. As you continue to walk, you notice a vast opening to a cave. You excitedly walk towards this opening, breathing into yourself every step of the way. As you approach the cave entrance, you feel excited to go in. Stepping into the entrance, this beautiful cavern is filled with darkness, sculptures of rock jetting out from the ceilings and walls. It feels cool and yet somehow alive. You walk further into the cave and you come into a space with rose quartz crystals surrounding every inch of the space. The ceilings and floors and walls all covered in potent pink rose quartz. As you step into this beautiful space, the penetrating energy of the rose quartz fills your system, embedding you with love and healing. Take several moments here to simply breathe in this energy. When you are full to the brim of this powerful, loving energy, you step forward into the next part of the cave, walking through these cool and musky halls, feeling full and open. You notice up ahead what looks like a portal, an entrance to another section of the cave. You move toward it and step through. You find yourself in another space, this time covered with black obsidian crystal. This black obsidian crystal coats every section of this cave. As you stand in the center, the obsidian shines so brightly it creates a mirror. All different angles of this stone project different images of yourself. And as you gaze into them, you meet different aspects of your shadow. Every time you look into a new section of the cave, you see a new part of your shadow revealed. A piece or part of you that you have rejected or dimmed down or made bad. Take the next several moments to look into different sections of the cave, to let your shadows come forward and speak truths to you about what they need to feel accepted. The time now is yours. As your last shadow shows itself, take a deep breath in. As you stand in the center of the cave, every shadow aspect that is ready to be seen and integrated steps forward, circling around you, allowing you to face them, to accept them, and to love them. As you embrace each and every aspect of your shadow, getting very comfortable sitting in this darkness, allowing yourself to see all aspects of you. Take time to commune with these pieces and parts of yourself. Let the light shine in, casting light and new shades of knowing on these parts of you. Ask your shadow what they need to feel whole, how they can help serve you, and how you can better love them. As the light pours down on all aspects of your shadow, embrace each part of yourself in a warm group hug. As you pull in every aspect of yourself, they become a part of you, no longer hidden in the darkness, no longer deemed unworthy, but instead whole and healed aspects of yourself and psyche, now able to walk fully into the world in your wholeness and authenticity. Take a deep breath in, allowing yourself to feel this wholeness for the first time, and make your way out of the obsidian section of the cave, walking back through the portal, down the cavern, and back into the rose quartz room, where the energy immediately begins to penetrate your soul once again, this time bringing wholeness and healing to each and every shadow aspect that you integrated, bringing wholeness, healing, and acceptance to all parts of you. A deep inner knowing that you are worthy and more than enough here and now. Spend as much time here as you desire. When you're ready, make your way out of the rose quartz room, stepping back onto the mountain path, breathing in the fresh, earthy air, feeling whole, alive, and full, knowing each and every part of you is worthy. And as you shine light on all parts of you, you become your true, authentic self, ready to face the world and create anew. Breathing deep into this feeling, coming back into the present moment, allowing yourself to feel safe in the darkness. When you're ready, open your eyes. Breathe into your being. Know that you are the light. Namaste.